Hello, I am Dr. Bapuji from Hyderabad, India, Chairman of Center for Integrated Medicine. I have integrated modern medicine, that is allopathy, naturopathy and yoga, particularly in dealing with chronic problems. And it is giving wonderful results. I have come in front of you today to talk about cholesterol, myths about cholesterol. Now, cholesterol fear has been induced by American Association of Cardiology and American College of Cardiology, and they influenced in 70s agricultural department, which has got an advisory panel which meet once in 5 years to advise general public, what foods are bad, what foods are good, what has to be avoided and so on. That's how this cholesterol producing foodstuffs to be avoided in 70s, which has been introduced, where yellow of the egg, they said it is bad, red meat is bad, that is beef and pork and so on. And these foods have restrictions have come into. Not only restrictions, it has created so much fear in public about cholesterol levels. Now, who has decided cholesterol levels? Who advises? Again, it is the American Association of Cardiology. Who are they? Now, it is the biggest scam of this century. I don't think ever such a big scam has occurred. People have been looted by $2 trillion by selling cholesterol medicines. Simvastatin, atorvastatin, rosuvastatin, all pharma company influences, and pharma company also influences. One small pharma company had made $20 billion, I believe, during the last 20 years. And this is going on. It is the biggest myth which has been created in general public about fear for cholesterol. A stage has come during the last 40 years. The public psyche is so bad. The moment they see cholesterol 250 or 300, total cholesterol I am talking about, and they anticipate heart attack. And patients, I interact with them, he is scared of sleeping in the night thinking that his heart might stop. He doesn't know that what we were taught at that time when I was a student was that it is abnormal cholesterol for years causes blocks in the blood vessels of the heart and brain and so on, which causes myocardial infarction and strokes in the brain, paralytic stroke and so on. So it cannot, today if it is 400 cholesterol, it would cause next day heart attack. Such a fear has been induced into the public mind. People are scared, terribly scared. Even to reduce their cholesterol medication, they are scared. Have to go by the psychology of the patient. And you will be surprised to know the atorvastatin, which is commonly prescribed in India and elsewhere also, rosuvastatin has come, again new drugs are coming. Now 5 milligrams is the lowest dose, and up to 80 milligrams cardiology department is routinely writing. And do you know that cholesterol medicine can cause liver damage? Because liver is the one which produces 85% of cholesterol required by the body, which is measured in the blood. Only 15% comes from the dietary source. So by taking cholesterol medicine, it causes liver damage, and it can cause sugar to go up in diabetic patients. It can cause muscular pains, and that is being diagnosed as fibromyalgia, polymyalgia, and then again investigations and so on. This fraud is going on, and in India still it is going on because there is no accountability here. The highest academic body in United States has already advised, circulated the advisory about the cholesterol reducing medication. There they are very careful in prescribing for the last 3 years, and this has been published as early as 10th February 2015. So to sum up the whole thing, cholesterol is not at all responsible for causing blocks in the blood vessels, that is arteries, which can cause heart attack or stroke. Please forget about it. More the cholesterol, better you will be mentally, particularly after the age of 55, 60. Because cholesterol, the benefits of cholesterol you should know. Cholesterol is a raw material for repair of cell membrane, repair of insulation of nerves, and it's a raw material for important hormones from adrenal glands, including cortisol we call it, and it's an important raw material for some of the sex hormones. Then people want to bring down cholesterol. What will happen to these functions? So please forget about cholesterol. It is not at all responsible. Eat normal food which you are eating prior to 70. Remove the fear that cholesterol is going to harm you. Thank you.